Now at 4 o'clock, they risk their lives to protect and fight for our freedoms, and now it's your chance to help them. Hope for the Warriors has teamed up with Rescue Ranch to host the first ever Run the Ranch Mud Run. And joining us now is Travis Hansen with Hope for the Warriors and E.J. Lewick representing the Rescue Ranch. Appreciate you guys coming in today.
Thanks for having us.
Travis, I'll start with you. Tell us a little bit about the foundation.
The Hope for the Warriors was founded at Camp Lejeune in 2006. It's a national nonprofit organization. Our mission is to restore a sense of self, family, and hope to our post 9/11 service members, their families, and the families of the fallen. So we have multiple peers, everything from clinical care counseling to sports and recreation, outdoor adventures, a myriad of options to help.
Fantastic foundation, no question about it. EJ, tell us about the Rescue Ranch and then how you got teamed up together here.
Well, the Rescue Ranch is a animal welfare, humane education, not-for-profit, founded by NASCAR driver Ryan Newman and his wife Chrissy. And through one of Ryan's sponsors, they got teamed up with Hope for the Warriors to do some fun and different things. And through conversations, they just decided that we would take advantage of this beautiful, just over 87 acres that we have that's mostly undeveloped at this point, and put on a fun mud run.
It's going to be a lot of fun, and you mentioned fun and different, a mud run. Sometimes I think mud run, I'm thinking hardcore, Travis. Is that what this is?
No, there's no fire, there's no jumping from buildings. This is going to be a family-focused, fun event. As it says, the course is laid out over the 87 acres of the Rescue Ranch. Hay obstacles, some low crawls. It's not an option of coming out of it clean, but it will be a good time.
EJ, if you want to get involved, what do you need to do?
You can either go to one of the websites, www.rescueranch.com/RunTheRanch2014. That will take you to more information online. But at this point, you need to register in person.
Okay.
You can do packet pickups tonight at Rescue Ranch, which is up in Statesville at 1424 Turnersburg Highway.
And there's fun afterwards, too, right?
There is.
You're going to have a family day kind of event, right?
It is our first anniversary this weekend, and so the afternoon will be our fall festival. So from 11 till 4, you can come on out. So if you participate in the run, you can stick around and have lots of fun for the rest of the day for the whole family.
Travis, just real quick, to get teamed up like this and to raise some money for an important cause, what does it mean?
It means everything. It allows both of our organizations to take advantage of our inherent assets. So for us to be able to give back over 94% of every donated dollar to our service members, that's a tremendous privilege on our part, and we're just very thankful that the Newmans have extended this opportunity, and hopefully we can continue to grow this.
We have a great event. The weather looks like it's going to cooperate. You're going to get dirty, but you're going to have fun, right?
That's
it's going to be a great cause. One more time, if we can put it up on the screen, the Run the Ranch Mud Run, Saturday morning from 8 till 11. It'll be at the Rescue Ranch on Turnersburg Highway in Statesville. Registration $30, $40. I guess day of the event is where we are right now, so keep that in mind. We've got all this information, what you need to know, the address, the location, what you need to do to get signed up. Just go to WBTV.com. Thanks for coming in. Have a great weekend,
guys.
Thank
you so much.
All right. Forget it back to you.